make sure that we're locking in. Yep. Bam, bam. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I'm just tapping into this. All right. Let's get in. Let's do it, hopefully. That's crazy. It really is just the extra UI. Which is a big problem, because I need to... Well, I guess I can't anymore. Since, dude, it's like legit since the update just a day ago. I can't, keep my browser open anymore. The little VRAM that it has, which is very little, I need... Man. Sucks, because I need that research. I can just easily get it. Oh, so stupid. And it's not my overall... Yeah, it's not even my overall rate. Disgusting. Try this. Just as a precaution. Oh, do that? I guess we go to this one first. Yes. Alright, get this ready to close just in case. But my apologies, buddy, so let's get in. Let's go. Let's have a great day. We got into, one game so far. Boom. Moving this. Oh, well, actually, I do want to get back in and listen to the other stuff. The Take-Two thing. I actually, funny enough, got more boxes. Ah, man, I had a feeling. I knew it was going to happen. I should have waited. But, hold up. Let me make sure. I'm watching the RAM. I'm making sure. It's crazy just how much it pushes. It's nuts. And if it's like this doesn't happen in everyone, then it's like older gen NVIDIA cards. For this program only. This happens to no other program. Everything dumps, browser tabs, and like specifically will dump easily. God, man. Instantly all the way up. Okay, I'm gonna close it just in case. Give me like 100 more megabytes. Because it like jumps up and it goes down a little bit, but not like... Yeah, there it goes. So I got 8 gigabytes VRAM, it went to 8.1, now it's down to 6.9. That definitely is higher. I'm getting higher VRAM because of the load-in, because they're freaking UI. That's crazy. Hold up. Have in here. There we go. Right. Yep, okay. We're in. Here we are, Sonnies, let's go. Oof. I'm ready for it. What is it gonna be? Where's gonna be the main place? Who is it gonna be, huh? I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm ready. I'm excited. It's gonna be awesome. Guess I could have it right here. No, because I'm not trying to Let me move over here. Oh, which is super nice. I was also thinking on how back-end stuff works for multiplayer. Because I was thinking about SM Business and I'm like, that's very interesting. What is he saying? Alright, shooting someone.
Mayor is under attack, officer.
Maybe you guys should go help him. I was thinking, because, like, I'm like, wait a second. The back end for the stuff, like, wait, that's actually not on just one server. That's persistent on it all. That means he is running some, like, server end stuff. Like, he's got his own server that calls out for that information to sync it across. Which is fascinating, because I'm like, oh, snap. I guess we gotta level up even more. Which is unfortunate. Oh. Especially for some other ideas and the games that I want to make. Oh man, they all require it. Which is unfortunate. Hey, see, now I gotta clean this up. Hey, wash your face. Yeah, there you go. Get that snot out of there. Yeah, you can keep that.
Thank you, thank you.
I love, people do love to do like that type of stuff. I always keep that stuff there. You know that's why? Because we had that one dude. Normally I don't freeze this, but we had that one dude originally who came in and just like, he was a hobo and he would just like cough. Just a little bit. But like look down at it and it would cough. Because like, when you look and see like your head, it does really go, like, it's really good tracking type stuff of where you look. So it looks really good, so he would go over like, and look at me. Which is funny. So we got the little stuff there for that. That's awesome. Evil Corp. Oh. They truly are evil. Oh, but yeah, so like, dude, this is gonna be sick. I can't wait. It's gonna be dope. Man, it's in the making. Even though it might be a little sucky for the, like, early access type of part of it. Dude, it's gonna be crazy. I can't wait. That's why it's like, man, I want to play more and more and check stuff out.
Feeling lucky today?
Hey, someone on the pizza pie for a guy here. There he is. Hey.
Hey, Ikad, hey.
Hey, someone on a little pizza pie. Oh. Oh. Cool. Dang. Wow. Hey, I get my eyes on you, pizza guy. Boom, boom, boom. I'm excited for it. I want more goodies. It's just so annoying about, like, there's no video. And then, like, in 2 years, everybody's be like, yeah, here's the video, here's this, here's that. And I'm gonna be like, oh my gosh. It will be like that, where it'll be like, dude, are you serious? We could have used that earlier. Pizza, 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 pizza. The words money and printer are illegal. I like that. Hey, what happened? Hey, don't worry, guys. Got a little pizza pie for you. I should get you back up.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man. I'll make sure to come back and eat it.
There you go. Try to smash your face in it a little bit.
You like the pipe about this?
Hey, where did that come from?
I made it.
You an alien or something?
Yeah, man.
Hey, you an alien?
I'm just gonna pay you with the money he had. I don't know why. It just didn't want to come back.
Hey, I appreciate you. Nice. I'll pay you with his money. Hey, I'll pay you with his money, huh? Body part removal service. I like the signs, just to make sure that we're going the right way. Whoa. Is this an actual door? La Papa Pizza. That's cool. Pizza pies. Hey. Where is everybody? 30. All the citizens are just citizens. All the citizens are citizens. Oh, here we go. Oh, but yo, so yeah, I got some NVIDIA boxes. I knew it was gonna happen too, but it's okay. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Some more of you pizza pie at the pizza stand. Pizza pie here. Yeah, I know. Pizza this,
Yo.
pizza that.
Yo.
Hey, I make a little pizza. Yo. Yo. Yo, yo. I wonder if anyone is gonna make any type of like football games. I wonder on all that stuff. Now that's gonna be. Oh. Oh, baby. Hey, slice. Hey, slice. Oh. Dang, they got a squad going in. Oh, a medic and a thief. Oh, but yeah, the back end stuff. So yeah, these guys are like, or the SM business, like there's some like server stuff, man. Which is annoying. So is SpaceX go public? Oh, I was paying attention to that. Funny enough. I was like, I saw that pop up in my feed. Cause, I don't know. I got an app that isn't the best. Uh-oh. Careful, officer, careful. Hey, you gotta play with the officers. Hey, it's like that one Scooby-Doo episode where they pop out the doors. I hate like that.
Dude, calm down.
Dang, this episode Scooby-Doo brought a gun. Ruh-roh. Just Thankfully he's lagging. Oh, now he's trying to arrest him. Oh, man. Define jaywalking. Oh, but yeah, so I don't know if I could do it immediately, but definitely they would. They're so big as a thing that they would be added to it. So, probably. Well, yes, but no, funny enough. Reason why I pay. Wow, man. I wish I had so much money. Not even a lot, but just enough just to go everywhere that I would invest. I will slowly but surely because I want to actually invest in some rocketry, guys. But I am a little worried about that because, you know, I pay attention to all the space stuff. There's a little problem with SpaceX. A lot of the stuff up there is doing some stuff to the atmosphere. That I could see potentially if it really. This is a video that funny enough, that one channel I recommended, it was like a video that came out. It's like SpaceX unknowingly doing a experiment to the atmosphere. Well, that's a little worrisome because that means potentially that stuff can get like instant shut down if it's really bad. Which means that stuff might go down like crazy. But we'll see. That's anything rocketry.
Hello, pizza man.
Hey. Well, rocketry for the stuff that they do. Not like rocketry to go out. So SpaceX will probably, if they really can't send any more satellites, basically, is what I'm saying. They're gonna. They have great rocketry to send stuff to wherever it needs to be sent, and all that. Like NASA still is a problem, like with budget and stuff for the rocketry. So like, if they can't do their satellite, their main thing that they're doing now is SpaceX, like that type of stuff, right? They're going to probably then transition into more of that type of stuff purely for going to Mars or Moon and doing stuff to asteroids, collecting samples, I bet. So it'll be good. But it's actually crazy though, funny. Because, yeah, it's definitely going to go up. I wonder if I'd get a notification of that. I would have to, like, check. See, like, when I say the pizza guys, they really do, as you can see, they're really kind of the best role players. You know what I mean? Like, look at that. Dang, rough times, huh? Dang. Hey, you know what? I'll give him a little bit of something here. Hey, could you get out of my shot for real quick? Alright. Hold up, I see. Oh, dude, that guy disconnected. I think a lot of people are crashing more. No joke, dude. That dude, that was a wizard, he just reconnected. We have not seen... Hey, hands up, hands up, hands up. This stick up pizza pie. Hey, pizza pie. Someone order for you. Have a pizza day. Hey,
Pizza day is crazy.
Hey, could you maybe deliver a pizza pie to someone for me?
I can deliver a pizza to someone, alright. You just gotta put in the request, because now there's an actual system to do it. I haven't played in a while.
Why not?
Yeah, little wise guy. Hey, you know, little pizza deliver.
Yeah.
And you know what? Next pizza pie for free.
Okay, fair enough.
The heck is this? Oh, guy, deliver this guy pizza. The guy accepted the hit and instantly died. Like, that is funny. Hey, little pizza pie's here.
Oh, I think you left the game.
Oh, did it?
Because you gave it to me, or it did it, but I don't have the timer for it anymore, and he's just gone from the game. It's like...
Oh, okay, hold up, hold up.
No, he's there. Where did the request go?
Well, that's right. This was another guy. He was kind of messing with the stand a little bit.
Would you happen to know where he is?
Yeah, he was legit by the PD. He just walked past it and went that direction.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, no worries.
Here's why he's got it.
Hey, I appreciate you. The heck is? Hey, is that the alien man?
Someone's living up above you. The hamster wheel.
What are you doing up there? Hey, good to see you. Hey, gotta be careful, you might fall. Didn't you already fall? People did this in Gary's mod with the same type of tubes, but the skyboxes.
Yeah, I'm down in
Guy is here. But it's crazy that I'm like in like, hey, you gonna get into that? That's so funny. It's like a meme. That's like an extra reason why I do it. Just like the mead. It just seems so like unreal that it's funny. I wonder if I could see. Because they do add. I wonder. Oh, cool. Oh, did he delete it? Oh no, it's still there. It's still there.
It's here.
What the heck is this contraption? Hey, this is crazy.
He got juice.
Hey, take this pizza pie.
I don't need one.
Good night, pizza guy. Fine.
Good pizza. Not yet.
Fine, you hurt pizza guy's feelings. Pizza guy. Oh. Oh. But actually, it's so funny because, yeah, that. Dumb. That stuff is just like so hilarious. Oh, I got sidetracked because that one guy, then the other thing, then the other thing. So I'm like, oh. Yeah, so for the back end, we're gonna have to do like the WebSockets, HTTP, all that type of crap. Which sucks. That's okay. And for like the actual set, like it's just like, man, why? Slice, Unreal Engine is just so good. Even though I did that stuff with it myself, but it's dang. Because yeah, definitely for that one type of idea. Darn. Hey, pizza this, pizza that. You know what I mean? Hey, Donatelli, you down here? To this, I like how I walk like just like a little shuffle. Hey, there is. Hey, knock knock, knock knock. Someone ordered pizza pie for you at my stand. Hey, have a pizza day. That guy's like, who are you? How do you know I'm here? Yo. Hey, pizza pie. Yeah, pizza. Did he crash or did he leave? Oh, he got. Oh, I see what he's doing. He needs the corner pipes. Oh. Oh. You don't look too good. A little bit of this. A little bit of that. Boom, 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 boom. But one thing's for sure, we're going to figure out, oh man, that stuff. And when we do, it is going to be universal, so it's like, especially with that stuff. Well, I mean all of it, but that stuff is like server-related stuff. And that pizza guy. Hey, pizza pie. Nice fresh pizza. I just break down the whole window.
Important message from the mayor's office.
Thank you for Thank you for there he goes.
Yes, glutton's frilled.
We get the pizza pies delivered to all the pizza guys. Boom. Hey, pizza guy. Nice. Okay. Now we can get it. So I want to work on like that other project I do. But it is that back end like server stuff. That's pretty beefy. Actually, I can boom, open those up. So I could get a little bit more information. A little bit easier. There, okay. Boom. And boom. Let me actually be real quick. And then we'll get right in. Hey, yeah, let me visit the sweat lounge. Hey, food and drink section real quick. Sorry about that, sweaties. I'm back. Back from the sweat lounge. Got myself some tea. Let's get in. Oh. Let's do... I mean, I guess I'll look at it, yeah. So let's launch that. Let's launch. 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 Initiated. Be opening the DarkRP framework. And we're going to try to work on it. Really figuring out the, because I'm looking at the Trello page. Oh, the pocket system. First aid. Then we got the hunger and thirst. What? Oh, because that was... Yeah, that's right. Boom. Control KC. We gotta figure out, so I guess I'm gonna fire everything on the hose again. Do that type of stuff, because... I say again, but I haven't done. I think only host can change variable type. Yeah. Or I think sync on host change. Or sync change. No, sync host change. Dang, all this like last bit of stuff is just all the like the densities. There is some light stuff here, but the rest is so dense. Ugh. Dense, dense, dense. So what we're trying to do, well, we're trying to raise that type of crap. Forget that. Try to use their debug stuff. Didn't work. Now, what do we do? Well, we have... the... Oh no. Pocket. What? Oh, because I was trying to do that. Yeah, delete. Because we have a... Oh, that's right. Instant scene of that. Man, this stuff is so... It makes me think of Unreal, and I'm like, I really do love Unreal Engine. It's so good. Unreal Engine is so nice. So we were trying to put these game objects in a list and just have a freaking sync, and that's it, bro. That's legit it, and like, it's so barbaric. All of it is. So we gotta work with barbaric stuff. Alright. Well, so forget about that. Scene trace, and then we got add item to pocket because it's a net list. Pocket item. Oh, let me get some of these. Move, and this will be game object has pocket item. Boom, copy paste. Boom, and boom. So true and false. So since it's true and false, true, go through pocket item. Yes. They object. We want to see that. Because that's like get hit, but that's different. This is like check the actual pass to that. Alright, let's see if this works. Let me go. Boom. Alright. Okay, so false, false. Let me see. Okay, so there is... Okay. Okay, weird. So it's not going straight, it's going at an angle. Okay, maybe I do try to figure out that frickin' node again. Like, I need the frickin' beam, bruh. Let me try this one more time. I mean, that's so helpful. Because, like, I gotta, like, keep going, like, okay, this position 1, move to position 2. Is it a straight line? Nope. Try to fix it. But it's, like, so much time being used for something that I could just see visually. Okay. Line trace. So then, what was it? Beam? Tracing. Or trace. And the other one, which is beam. Where do they put that one? Assets? Rendering effects. Beam effect. That's so... Oh man, their documentation is so hot trash. That's crazy they don't show nothing for the code for the beam effect. So... It's literally just a paragraph. Nothing else. That's crazy. They legitimately forgot to add to that. Better solution. I forgot to include that one. That's right. Are you looking up debug? Hold up. My bad. I was like in dev mode right there. Did you already try this? Void trace? Float duration. I think that's what we're... Actually, I don't know. This? No. I'm trying to remember yesterday. I think so. Well, I was trying to find it, but I don't know if I did that. I would have to see. But yeah, debug overlay. Hold up, let me check. I was on... Where was it? Well, I was on the tracer. Debugging traces. Yeah, debug overlay. That's part of the information. Well, I just like vetted that information. So let's see what this does. Because I'm curious. I'm curious, little curious. Where is it from? Oh, that's right, this is a node. I'm trying to, like, figure out where do I pull this node from. from... to... Oh, straight up just a scene trace result. Oh. Oh my god. It's at least something. Dude, I actually don't know if I want to... Hold up. Wait, this... Man, that's so aggravating. This is why you don't play Subnautica 2 on launch or anything like that. You wait for like years until they add all the content in, so you're never stressed. Why is that so aggravating? Because it literally is kind of just that easy to do it, and they literally haven't done it. Holy crap. That it, like... The action graph, the scene trace, is still like pre-alpha. Dang. I literally just made the node better than them. You know what I mean? Like, come on, bro. That's crazy. Like, I don't know, but like, you know what I mean? Like, dude, you know what I mean? Like, come on. Like, come on, bro. And apparently, like, hit trace goes green. I saw, yeah. Come on, bro. That's really... It's really demotivating. Like, why? Why does everybody need to create that node when literally you should be the ones that create that? That's disgusting. That's so stupid. I hate that. That's probably one of the biggest fails from Face Punch. No joke, in history. And you can't even argue it. Dang, bro. That's so annoying. Just like... I have to use a beam. So, you know the one... So the debug overlay docs? That doesn't work, I don't think. The reason why I didn't use that is because... You know what error code it gives me? It gives me... Well, I don't know if it's still here. No, because I pushed it out of the console. It gives me a thing that says it's unaccessible to its property level. Meaning, you can't use debug overlay. Like, debug overlay trace. I'm not doing that. What we're doing is using a beam effect. Literally. A beam effect. Which makes sense, but guys, it doesn't even matter. Because, like, why is this not a default node in the action graph? That's crazy. I literally just made a better node than Face Punch. You know what I mean? Even if this doesn't fully work, I tweak it up a little bit, and it actually is... That's insane. That's insane. That's actually insane. Dude, that's so bad. Okay. Man, God bless, Tim Sweeney. May he win more in the courts against Apple. Because, bro. Dude. I'm just thinking about it. Dude, the debug, it's just a little button. But you get to see the line, the box, the sphere. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's not default. Like, it's an action graph node that's missing. It's not like a... Well, it is a quality of life, yes. But this is something everybody with a debug line 100% does. You know what I mean? Like, when you know this, you do something like this. So that means that's kind of like a universal, like that it should be it's a node that's, or it's something that's used universally, that it should be a node. Just like the add node. Or it legit, the add node. That's just a C# file that is just adding one value and another value. Plus the little extra thing that it does, so it could like change the one thing. When the values to a different one. This is missing. That's crazy. Also, hey, I was very close. Why it didn't work yesterday was because of the debug overlay system, I think. Oh wait, you see, wait. Look, actually, wait, I just realized. Look, I didn't click on anything. You legit see right here. Debug overlay is inaccessible due to its protection level. We can't use that in... As a game developer, we can't use this. Unfortunately. Don't know why. Do I gotta like inject into S&Box so I can use this very basic thing? Crazy. Alright, now let's see if this is like, is it broken because of the from and to? Let's see our stuff. That's crazy, man. I feel like, dude, I don't know nothing about this. I feel very just in the fog. And that's why I gotta use this, like, you know what I mean? Like, what is that? I don't know how to use trays, I don't know how to use all this stuff, and they expect you to know all this? Or just go learn C#. Alright, pure blood. Alright, pure blood. Go make your game. We need a new game on S&Box. Go make it. Destroy. Create beam object, create beam component. It literally does that? I don't know, bro. I don't know. See, like, that's why it's like... It's like looping around, like, it's like a cheaty way of doing something, it feels like. Versus just, oh, it's there. At least for my mind, which is so hard. But I'll do... Is there inputs? Where's the inputs? This? Yes. This one would be... okay. So then this is the logic. So if... Where's the... Okay, so if source... If this is null, or the scene that the game object is in is null, don't do it. Create a little variable called tr, which is trace. Which is the source scene trace logic. That's how you scene trace, which is array. From and to, so from and to, run. This runs the line, so it just does the thing right then and there. Okay. So from and to run after. I'm so bad with. You know what it is? It's really me just being bad at remembering text, bro. It really is. Like I'm such a visual learner. It's so bad. If I was like, cause I can't remember like how to debug log. Just type in log. But like this stuff doesn't really do it. There was that one editor. Maybe this editor isn't that good. I don't know. But from then I can if show debug equals true, do this. Debug log. Start pose. End pose. If not, then do this. Shouldn't it, or do I gotta do return? Yeah, okay, cause, yeah. Well, if so... So, how do you do this? So, like, I say this, it's gonna say yes, and... be stuck in here, right? I think so. So I gotta copy paste the code in the if? There's no way. Like, you learned basic C#, bro. Man. If. Oh, didn't do that. So true. So I don't think there shouldn't be a red line because it's going to be yes and stay inside. No, there is. I don't know anymore. I'm blind. Okay. So, I mean, I guess that's good. Now, if I say false... Wait, is it actually doing it? Start pose? Oh, it is. It is. Okay. Cool. So, give fresh. Boom. Start pose. I don't know if that's actually working. Wait, I don't know if the actual line trace is working. Like this thing? It's hard to tell. Way to tell would be... So say from... From 0 to 200, 100, 100. Let's see that. Wait, what's the direction again? Let's make sure. Where's the frickin' thing? I wish I could see like a top right. I was looking for it. No, yeah, Z is up and down. X is that way. So I don't think that is working correctly. The actual beam. Hip position? Wouldn't one be 2? Or from? Or from? Into? That change? Maybe I did it wrong? Pretty sure I did that right. So from... So up 100. 0. Oh no, I do a Y. So it's actually not this way, it's This way. Or this way. Yeah. Okay. Was it because of local? So that's... Yeah, world position from... Bear beam... Alright, let's see. Oh. Close. This is a little messed up. Source. Wait, is it because of the source? Why do I need a source? Just do a from and to, bro. Oh, we gotta find... Oh, the source theme. Okay, I guess that's fine. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. So, from 0, 0, 100 to 200, 100. Let's try different values and see if it moves. Just in case, right? Why not? So it goes higher, it gets the Y. Interesting. What happens if I just don't do that? Yeah, I don't see it because it's not like Yeah. I can't see it because it's not like in the air. Beam target? So, I don't know. I'm getting confused. Okay, so maybe from... Bro, what happens if I do that? Okay, so 0, that's the top. Okay, so like 200, then how about this to be that? No, it's not even... I think it's because of the beam. All this for something that could be in the freaking thing. Isn't that crazy? Okay, let's see if this works. I'm just very curious. Like, this is just nuts. Feeling like, no. There we go. Yeah, that's something. Dude, this is crazy. What happens if I do this? I think it's actually working. Somewhat. Yeah. I mean, it's better. So I guess that's what that would be. Alright, so... I don't know. I could use this as a full trace, but I don't know, bro. This is so dumb. But I'm learning. I am. So we got the, position... Alright, so I know there's forward. Alright, how do you get the forward of the freaking thing again? Hold on, let me look at the other. Just P. Start pose is the world position. The velocity is that times forward. So the world transform of this times an amount, which would be forward. So then when we go over here, we get start pose, and then we get that. What? Oh, I can't just... Oh, no, I can't convert it float. Okay, so 50. Dang, these numbers are large numbers. Are they? Or is the debug really not working? No, it is. So, I want to see if I can get the... So, body... 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let me increase the... whatchamacallit? Okay. What position? Get the world transform. Of this? Oh, it is there. Wait, did that... Oh, I didn't move it back in place. Dang. Save. Well, that's better. It's not getting forward? How can I tell? So can I tell via console? Wait, it's just the same numbers. 2 hit, trace hit. What is this dumb stuff? From this N2. Oh no, no, it's doing it. It's not rotating in the direction. I don't think so, though. Can I maybe get that to fire? Or does that never move? I didn't know that. Where'd it go? My viewpoint in the body. So now when I move, that should move with me. What did they do? How did I just like... This is doo-doo. It's crazy because I legit do it right here. But it's like, dude, I'm doing the same thing. But apparently not. Velocity plus start pose. Start pose. Is it? We said it's like somewhere here. Is it this one? Temp start pose. Oh, here. This is world position. So what is different? Is it really actually working or something? I'm gonna do that and see. Because, like, get position. Game object? Maybe that's the problem. Because I do get it a different way, so... game object from that. So delete this. From... to add, I just get the game objects rotation, world rotation, and I get the forward of that. And that's the clamp to add to, boom, boom. Cool. I'm actually curious to see if I see a change here first before the other stuff. That should work. Well, now I don't see it because I did that one thing, which I didn't change. Where I look doesn't go where it says. I don't think that's the case. We'll see. Save. Is the game object? No, it's right there. What is forward in here? Is forward the X or the Y? Because I don't understand that it's not turning. Like the endpoint isn't adjusting based on where I'm looking. Start pose. World position. And then... You know what? I'll do this here. End pose. First... And this one. Save. It doesn't seem like it's getting the forward. I don't understand. When I turn, the forward doesn't move. I just get world rotation off of the muzzle. The muzzle is in the hand, which then moves. We literally are doing the same crap. But it's saying... But look here. Boom, boom. It's the same number when I look around. So it's firing to the same position. Which is, funny enough, the same starting position. So, is it because of this? Like... Maybe. Well, it is extending. But it's not... turning. What's the forward? This makes no, like, actual sense. I'm pretty sure X is forward. Also, why is name tag all the way down? Well, let me see. Okay, so I'm in here. Boom. On the body. Isn't that rotation, like, moving? Shut up. Let me BRB real quick. Sorry about that, sweaties. I'm back. Let's get in. What was it? Oh, that's right. I wanted another thing. Forward vector. This should help us a little bit in figuring out what the heck is going on. Save. Yeah, I guess I could hook that up, but XY. Okay, so XY, Y is the forward vector. So I guess -90? Maybe. Try to plug in the other thing. So 160. Wait. Negative. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, so that is right numbers. 44 to 5. It is going forward. It is going forward. Debug visualization just isn't doing it. Because her, the rotation. Yeah. What up? Is the node broke? No. What is the beam effect? Because it's apparently it's a component. Start position. Random. What's end position? Shoot. Up there. Start position. Right, so, see, okay. Where's end? I don't think there is. Game object to target with the beam. If assigned, it overrides the target position with the game object's position on thing. Oh. Random offset applied to the target position. Okay. So it already gets, so the start position just gets, oh man, what a stupid component. I mean, I guess not, but like, dude. They're like, yeah, you don't need to get the thing because it's just like that. Who cares? Just give me the thing so I can change the freaking start. Oh my god. Dude, Unreal Engine is so much better. Holy crap. That's insane. There's literally no end position. Or there is. There's no start position. The start position is, I guess, the center of the freaking game object that you put the component on. Who thought that was a good idea? Okay. Well, now with that in mind, so tracer beam, da-da-da-da-da-da. Hit pose is the trace hit, position hit. And then activate function, so you pass the variables. So there's no rotation. So like that doesn't. So world partition or partition. Positioning is from direction is to. Why are we doing? Man, this stupid freaking thing is so stupid. Man. Is there a beam effect in the freaking thing? There is. Okay. So we might have a thing. How do you get a beam effect? Where would you create this beam effect? So you gotta create it as a component on... Let's try that. Hold up. Let me try that now. Because, like, I can't do it in C#, bro. Look at this. Even AI can't. Because, like, yeah, there's a rotation. So we gotta get the model. We're loading some stupid model for reference that, like, yeah, it's all stupid. Alright. Let's see if I can try it in here. Because now I know, like, how the beam. So. You want to do a line trace? Yeah. We want to see where the beam is. Okay. Well, how do we do that? Well, we got to create a component. Component is called beam. So we got to... How do you do that? So on this game object, which is not the right thing anymore. Oh my goodness. Now that I just realized maybe that's been the problem. I don't know. That definitely has been a problem for a moment. But, like, doesn't the eyes move with... Hold up, let me see. I can't really tell, can I? I mean, it's moving. It just won't rotate. So if I go over here, do this. What? Oh, that's okay, because you don't want it to rotate. Yeah, so that's fine. Right? Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Oh, no. Does the Z move? No, it doesn't. So I do got to attach it. Alright. Save. Right? Will this work or no? That'd be funny if it didn't. I kinda had a feeling it wouldn't. Does that really... Wait. How do you do this, bro? No. I guess I can just keep it there for now. And then we just figure out how to parent that, and everything that, like, gets that, we'll just... Oh, God, but that's so important, though. That's so stupid. Man, this whole system is just really... They're like, hey, let's simplify it into oblivion. Alright, either way. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. Get the game object's position. Get the forward vector. Alright. This is probably the reason why this is messing up. Alright, that should work. That doesn't move, but... Well, the line... The debug line. That... I'm about to freak out. Isn't it crazy how I have it? I don't know, bro. Yo, this is so stupid. Why is it not working? I literally copy-paste. Doesn't work. Alright. Cool, I guess. Okay, I mean, well, I didn't mean to do that. Component, create component. That will be the beam effect. I guess beam effect would be here. Well, it doesn't matter for the trace because I need to like look for dude, that's alright. We're about to like go to our next project because dude, the S&Box is really annoying the crap out of me the past few days. Like, why is it so simplified in a way that is so stupid? But I guess that's just C#. And people are be like, yeah, dude, this is best. Insane. Absolutely insane. Have to create a component. Yeah, like, this is stupid, bro. This is so stupid that you gotta do something like this. So stupid, bro. It makes me not even want to... Okay, so we get the start and end. End will be the whatchamacallit. So we get this beam effect. Beam. Target position. Alright. Save. I can't tell. I think it actually kind of is working funny enough. How do you, beam? Oh, scale. Scale and loot. Or is it like... Oh, beam lifetime. Beam. Lifetime. And scale. Save. Okay. So it isn't getting the rotation, but I got a beam effect. So that's kind of how you would do it. So I'm just creating all these components and not destroying them yet. Okay, so let's look at this again. What am I missing here? It's something so stupid, I hate it. Get temp bullet velocity. Bullet velocity is rotation plus forward vector. Rotation on a muzzle, so that'd be like an eye thing. Rotation on that. Get forward. But it won't even rotate with my head. So I get the world position of this object, I get the rotation of forward. Isn't that crazy? What's the rotation then? And Newman was like, hey, you're getting too good. Slow down. So the rotation is not even changing? Oh, it's not. In that, well, in that one. Right. Wait. That doesn't when you parent off of the prefab? Why? Weird. Now, is it... So, what are these? How about local space? No. Okay, well, that's the problem. But that's a big problem. So put it back onto the body. Save. I guess since the weapon was like in our hand, it was different in some way. Okay, now we get an actual direction. Like for sure. Okay, so then we go through 0. View point. So in this children, a for each. And in that, we want to see if this tag, we want to get their tags. We want to see if they has viewpoint. Want an if. So we're gonna go through because we will have one and only one. Go through that and get that position and that stuff. That one. Yep. Save. Okay, now am I only getting a problem of like this being rotated like that? I mean, it's kind of working. Kinda. So, okay, so that kind of works, but why isn't it, like, going down? Well, I need the, Yo, low-key, that might be a problem with our weapon system. But it can't be, I don't know. That makes sense, because I'm only... When I just do this? I don't know, bro. Dude, I'm about to give up. My brain, I'm just like, I'm discombobulated. I feel it. Because, like, wouldn't you want to just get all the rotation, or all the position, and just times it? By 250? Right? Like, 250. I don't know. Well, let's see what happens. You had a feeling that wouldn't really... Because it's 250 in all positions. There's gotta be 250 and 250 down. So give forward... Get the world rotation. Get the forward vector. Hold up. I am like I'm getting more frustrated that this somehow works. I literally am doing the same thing and it's not producing the same result. But we do like reduce the freaking thing. Maybe that, actually. So start position. Add. Bullet start pose. I don't know. It's crazy. I literally got this right here, right? It's so insane. Man. I don't know what it is. World rotation. It's just timesing it by 1 in the one direction. So of course it won't go up or down. So how did our gun even work? Because I get the bullet velocity. Bullet velocity is... this, and I plus it on our start position to get the start position. But we already get the start position, we need the end position. Maybe it's because I'm not actually doing a scene trace that I'm like getting confused by that. It might be, I don't know. to like end pose. Save. Now it breaks. Missing value? Where? Oh. Close. Are you teamed up with the other one? No. It's separate. All the stuff, there was people who grouped up, but everybody separated. Like the original DarkRP guys. This project is forked from that, but I deleted everything from that because everything that they had in there was so, like, discombobulated. So I made that 5 months ago, but then Gary Newman decided to break all the action graphs for 3 months. So I haven't, like, worked on this for a while. Unfortunately. Well, the other guys are. And then, so you got those, but then that one, so one of the guys from the original group actually separated and made his own, which is the DarkRP. Then you got the OG DarkRP guy. And then the other guys who made their variants. We hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome, welcome. It's crazy. I think my mind's just too discombobulated right now. I gotta simplify it. I gotta like, what puts? Do I need to go in Unreal Engine? Like, what's my? I gotta like erase it. I got too much discombobulated. Because we got like one from like 2, but this is that. It's like okay. Because that is, of course, going to be the 2, because the 2 is from the that, right? And to add is that direction plus that, right? Can I just combine? But it's weird that I gotta do this. I wonder what I did before. Back to 3, I get to Z. Multiplication to that. How do you do actually, what can you do in this first? Is it width? I'm gonna have to turn it into one. I think it's just add. But I gotta get, so then I gotta turn this into with Z. Target. That? With the Z of that. Oh, well, there goes that. What's that numbers? Well, I did multiply it by extreme numbers. See, my mind's discombobulated. Let me think, let me look. Let me look. But I can't wait for all this stuff to be created because, man, I only started creating this because the XRP is so crap. what a terrible framework it has. It's not actually a true DarkRP. And that's my fear of the dude who's making, because I saw that he made a heist thing, but it's like, well, he's making basically his own server variant. Like, if you're going to be adding all the heists and all that stuff, then the originality that brought DarkRP to life and diversity won't be there, because no server owner is going to want to try to change that. Especially at the get-go. So you're going to have a lot of those servers look exactly like the same, just like the XRP. This framework is legit going to be the bare bones, like the actual DarkRP vanilla. We'll be adding no add-ons into that. Besides, I guess, like an add-on, there's a default job whitelist system, which should be default, considering of like this could be used to make Star Wars and anything. So you need those type of systems. But besides like those additions, I was thinking if this actually does become a thing, then afterwards I'm going to create some of the add-ons that people would probably want, like a bank add-on or whatnot. Because that won't be in by default. Which is crazy, but it's like, there are servers that just didn't have that. And that was a completely different atmosphere. What if you want that? Well, certain servers just don't have that. Or it has that. But it's one of those things that you give them everything, they're not going to want to change too much. Hence, what we've actually seen already in DXRP, in the server owners in there, and how minimal changes they've been able to make and want to make. Because it's a combination of both, because the framework's so bad that they can't really do what they should be able to do. That's why it's bad. I mean, it's fine by its like own standalone server thing, but we're not in the dev phase anymore, so that type of like game should not exist anymore. Arguably, because what he has done is put a tainted taste in everybody's mouth for DXRP and the DarkRP currently in S&Box because of those said problems. You can get more diversity, more of actual true DarkRP experience in DarkRP in Garizmon, which is like, duh, of course. But the thing is, if you compare the two things, DXRP and DarkRP, they're not that different. It's just, there is some very small poisonous stuff that then really is like so poisonous that it is like a turnoff. So much so that people are making the modes. Kind of crazy. All because it's just like there's no information up there. We're just way too early in just like the information. Sucks. Think. So So I don't... Okay. So get the game object. You get the rotation. And you get forward. You then multiply that. Yeah, dude, I'm not like tripping over this logic. What's going on? What's tripping me out? Because literally how you do that type of stuff, even in C#. But what is going on? So I have a start and an end. An end is start. So this is an add. Maybe the add clamped is like the thing. Hold on. Let's just delete that. Delete. Because I just... reset. Reset. Alright, so that's where we want to go. Okay, so take this. I'll just mainly freaking add it. Add. No clamp. Don't care. World rotation. Get forward. So we want to add this, that, times this 2. Okay. Missing value? What? Oh, it's because of that. Oh, okay. Okay, so get the I. World transform. Start pose. End pose. Dude, once we learn this, it's gonna be so powerful, bro. 2. Okay, let's see if that actually works now. Screw that. I just want to see numbers. I think we finally have it working. We have something at least. I knew I'm like, what am I missing here? So would a component actually like work now or what? What's the... What times it by 2? Good if. I don't know. Why would it be... So, what's the numbers? That's the transform. That's the rotation. That's the scale. Okay. So start pose is there. End pose is 3,000, 8,000, and 17,000. So I think it's this. This plug into this. This plugs into that. This plugs into here. That plugs into there. I guess. Why can't you see it in first person? Like, who made that idea? I guess since I'm looking straight at it, no. So that's where I'm supposed to be looking. As best as possible, I mean, whatever. So then the end pose. Right. So start is the world position. So start. Did I have it right? I don't know. Hey, but I'm learning, bro. I'm learning. So that's good. Yes. My goodness. Hey. Like, even the code that it's giving me in CS, dude, that's where it's like, Jensen, Henson, NVIDIA, dude. I don't know how you're putting ChatGPT in some of these fucking things, bro. This stuff is hot trash. Scene, camera, world direction. Get the end equals start direction. No, that's not how it is. I'm about to go in Unreal Engine and do the line trace, because now I'm like, I can't even think of it anymore. It's like saying banana 30,000 times and you just lose the meaning. I'm thinking of the line trace and I just lost the meaning. Like, why is this so dumb? Why couldn't they just do something so simple for us of like adding that just debug line? But, because you gotta like know this stuff. This is for the Roblox kids. This ain't for Garry's Mod players. Face Punch already demonstrated that by the release and how they've did the whole thing. They don't care. If they would actually do stuff that way. I think they're starting to care, but it's obvious that they want that Roblox. But how easy will it be for these kids to get into it and like interact with stuff like this? And like actually like younger, like not the experienced ones, but the actual players that then become like the developers. Because I know this is like, no, you don't do that because you're just adding this, which is so stupid. So maybe it's, so then I'm like, okay, maybe it's this. Maybe multiply this with this onto this. But then the Z-axis doesn't change. It's because my mind's, I don't know. Alright, what was that? Let me think. My mind is, like, I legit, just my mind won't comprehend it. If it just won't comprehend it, there's no point in even trying, right? There's something else I could do. Thank goodness other people are doing this, bro. Cause like, gee. I'm looking at the Trello page. We do get the. Oh, that's right. But I can't even like interact. Well, I can. Man, I guess I look at. I don't even know how you do that. I seriously don't even know. Because that's like the first thing I made. How does it even work? Oh, that's right, because we used the... Never mind, we used their default system. Never mind. Yeah, I guess we'll work on the hunger and food system real quick. Mine's just not in that right now. And if that's the case, like I do believe you gotta like work it, at least for me, I gotta work adjacent. My mind won't get that right now. So we'll do this. Do we have the game mode system thing? But that's all good. We'll return back to that. We will. We will. Where's the game mode thing? Click in one of these. Where is it? The thing I'm looking for. This. Copy paste. Get the DarkRP game. I just realized I gotta change that to current game mode. So we back in the mine. That's okay. All good, all good, all good. So what do we need? What am I looking for? I'm looking for... I don't think I even have it. I don't even think I got the settings in it. What would it be? It would be, Right. No, I don't, actually. That's crazy. That's alright. I should probably do sync, only host can change, shouldn't I? Oh, so would this be disable? I think this would be a feature. But I don't... Well, no, it'll be in basic... It'll be basic info in its own thing. Yeah. Is hunger mod enabled? Name reference to the original thing. And then in here... I wanna float? No, int? Eh, we could float. Right? What is delays you? Is it float? Yeah, it's float, okay. So, is hunger... max speed. What is the max speed? I would say default hunger reduction speed. Yeah. Default. I don't think there should... Well, there could be a max, but I don't think there should, so people can have, like, funny items. What is the max... What is the default? How do you spell it? Triple check. Yes. What is the default reduction speed? What is the default reduction speed? Hunger reduction speed. 1 equals... 1 second. Wait 1 second. Wait, no, this is the speed. Reduction speed, float. Haste. Thirst. Thirst. Oh no, I forgot the... Oh, GitHub. Did I save it yet? I probably did. No, I didn't yet. Nice. For the scene trace. Don't push origin. Okay, so good. The default thirst, default hunger. That's what we kind of want. I can do a show if. Show if. If that is enabled. Save. And then we look over here. Is hunger mod enabled? Boom. Awesome. Now I can do max, right? I might search up that one video. I want to see real quick if I can. I saw it in the documentation. There, I accidentally stumbled upon like all their whatchamacallit. It's called attributes. Attribute. Attributes and variables. No. Classes. No. Command list. No. Getting started. No. Uh. Basics. Cheat. No. Where? Property attributes. Okay, I found it. I found it. It's in editor. Property attributes. Okay. Hide, require, group, toggle, title, feature, feature enabled, order, show if, hide if, range. When used on a number, we'll have a yes. Uh. What is it? 3,600. Oh. Range isn't ambiguous? Why? Ambiguous reference between component data, annotations, range value, and range attribute. Alright, we're watching that video. I did write it down. Where is it? Did I put it in here? No. Where did I, on that one? Um, this. I actually already made a document of this. That's hilarious. 20 attributes. That's it.
That it kind of
By
becomes
Carson Compson.
added from the drop down.